Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now this is not crochet as you can see, but a lot of the people who watch my channel have their own crochet channels or they have a channel of another kind. Now what I want to show you is my microphone is this is called a Blue Yeti. Even though it's red, it's called a Blue Yeti, and I want to hang it up. It's usually on a stand down on the table, but I actually want to hang it up because the microphone picks up a lot of the noise when I put my hands on the table. It gets knocked or moved around. I want to put this up in the air like this, like you see on the radio. I mean, almost like the girl here in the picture. So what I got is this. I'll put that to the side there. Now this is a Neewer. I'm sure I've pronounced that properly. There's lots and lots of their stuff on Amazon and eBay. I'll put a link in the bottom to Amazon, to their website. They have amazing sturdy stuff at a very reasonable price for you to put microphones on, to put cameras on. I'm going to show you this one. I'm going to pull it down into the picture. This is another one of these arms, but this one has a camera on. You can put your camera on there. Now the camera today is just suspended on a little bendy wired one that clips onto the desk. This is a lot more sturdy. This one, it's multi-positional as well. It's the same brand as that, but I bought this one with this end for a camera. You can get different parts like this to chop and change the arm like this, and it's only springs as you can hear, and I'll show you that. So what you get in the box is you get this. This is your extending arm. Now if you can see the end of this one, it's got this larger screw on it. That screw is going to go into this part here. Now it's got one of these little adapters in there. You get one of those in it. You get one of those in there, but I've already got one in this piece here. I took it out the top of the microphone. It already had one in it, and I've just moved it to here. So what you do is you put this on your extending arm, and that will screw in there. And I'm not going to do it now because I'm going to start smacking my camera around. Now what you get with it is you get this one for holding a microphone. Now screws on to there, and then you put your microphone in it. You get that. I'm not technical at all, but you get this little adjuster if you need to, but that one is just going to go straight on there. But you get this in case you might need it for a different type of microphone, like maybe putting it into the top of there. I don't need that on there. I can just put it straight on from the bottom of the microphone. So if you buy one of these, it's for your mobile phone. It will have an attachment like this that opens up to take your mobile phone. You can get them for iPads and little gadgets as well. But I didn't get that with this one. I got the one specifically for the microphone. So it'll have that end that I can get on to my microphone. Make sure you buy the one that you need for the equipment. This one's for a camera. This setup is for a microphone. So what you do is you've got this desk clamp. This is really, clamps in really tight, and look how wide it goes. It goes that wide. That's like 3 inches, 4 inches. So if you've got a desk or even a windowsill or a piece of anything that you can clamp this on, look at that, how wide that goes. You clamp that on to the end of your desk. I'm going to show you that. I'll move my camera, attach it with that on the top, just slide it on, and then you'll tighten it up. Put it on as tight as you can. Now you've got a hole here. I'll bring my camera over even a little bit more. So you've got a hole here, and what you do is this end here, this opens up into all different positions. I'm going to put that in there. You put that into that hole like that, and then there is a button here that you tighten up. You can't really see it for the you just tighten that up. It'll keep it steady, or you can loosen it just a little bit so that you can move this in any direction. Now look at this, it bends right over that way and right down. You can move it all over the place, and that's going to bend right down like that. And this is the end of that arm. I'll put that back there so you can see it. That's the arm there, and that's the end of it. That's that end here. So I'm going to screw this in. Make sure that's on the top. So you just thread that into that. Now there is directions in the box, and there is lots of videos as well on this equipment. So lots of people do videos on YouTube on these pieces of equipment. And this is going to be able to put my microphone in the air like you see on the radio. It's going in there nice and tight, because it's got to hold that. Turn that round the right way. Now this here is going to tighten the arm here to take the weight of my microphone. This arm here tightens that. Look at that, that's quite easy. Even with arthritic hands, it's quite easy to tighten that. And then I'm going to put my microphone back on there with that little shock absorber on the top of it. Now you don't get the shock absorber and you don't get the microphone. I'm just showing you what you can do with this, and I'll show you a couple of pictures. So as you can see, the arm does take the weight of one of these really large heavy microphones, and you need something steady to hold either your camera or even your microphone or your webcam as well. These are the things to go for. They're really good, they're really stable. You can tighten them in as tight as you like, and they do hold the position once you get it into position. So someone had says to me, what is it that you've got your equipment attached to? And this is what it is. It's a recording microphone stand. It's a clamp stand for your desk or even your windowsill, like I showed you. Put this on almost anywhere that it will hold it, and it tightens in really tight as well. This one is for my microphone, to get my microphone up where I can still talk in it, and it's going to give a much clearer sound as well. But anyway, I'm not the most brilliant at doing these type of videos, but when someone says what kind of equipment are you using, then I do try to show what it is. So I've got my camera on one of these. It's made for the camera with a camera end, and this one is specifically for the microphone. This one, it says it's professional recording. Well, I'm not that professional anyway. It's really easy to work as well. You can there's a screw on this side as well here, and you've got your screws on this side for tightening it. So it is completely adjustable on there, and that arm goes all different directions. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So for all you budding YouTubers out there, and all the ladies and the gents that do YouTube videos, especially if you're doing crochet ones like me, and you're, how do you get your camera down low and move it up into different directions? This is what it is that I use. I've got my camera on one of these, and I've now got one of these for my microphone as well. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.